Are you looking for best folding beds? Folding beds are an essential solution for households and travelers alike, offering convenient, space-saving options for temporary sleeping arrangements. Whether you need a guest bed, a portable sleeping solution for camping, or a compact piece of furniture for a small apartment, folding beds provide a versatile and practical alternative. In this review, we analyzed 5 popular folding bed models. List number: Oversized XXL Folding Camping Cot W Mat for Adults. The Aberon Oversized XXL Camping Cot is a heavy-duty folding bed designed primarily for outdoor use. With a large surface area of 78 inches by 32 inches and a weight capacity of up to 900 pounds, this cot is built for durability and versatility. Its double-layer 1200D Oxford fabric ensures superior strength and easy cleaning, while the detachable soft pad adds extra comfort. The cot is lightweight and folds quickly, making it ideal for camping, road trips, or even as an emergency guest bed. Performance-wise, the Aberon cot excels in durability and stability, thanks to its square steel frame. The breathable fabric ensures comfort even in warm weather, and the detachable pad provides flexibility for different climates. However, its weight of 26 pounds might make it less portable for hiking or backpacking. Users have praised its spacious design and sturdy construction, but noted that it may not be the best option for indoor use due to its utilitarian appearance. List number: Folding bed with mattress. Portable, foldable guest beds. Cot size. Rollaway beds for adults with luxurious memory 5-inch foam mattress. The Foxamart folding bed offers a compact and comfortable solution for guests or temporary sleeping arrangements. Featuring a 5-inch memory foam mattress as sturdy steel frame, this bed is designed for both comfort and stability. Its Velcro straps keep the mattress securely in place, while the foldable design and rolling wheels make it easy to store and move. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds, it's suitable for most adults. This bed shines in indoor use cases, such as guest rooms or small apartments, where space is at a premium. The memory foam mattress provides excellent pressure relief, and the zippered cover is removable and washable for easy maintenance. However, at 47.2 pounds, it's heavier than some competitors. An assembly is required. Users have noted its comfort and stability, but mentioned that the folding mechanism can be slightly cumbersome. List number: Folding sofa bed. The Maxyo folding sofa bed is a budget-friendly option that doubles as a sofa and a bed, making it ideal for small living spaces. Its shredded foam filling provides medium firmness, while the included headrest and lumbar pillow enhance comfort. The beige corded fabric adds a touch of elegance, and its lightweight, foldable design makes it easy to store or move. This product is best suited for light use, such as occasional napping or seating in a living room or guest room. While it provides decent comfort, it lacks the support of thicker mattresses, making it less ideal for extended sleeping. Users appreciate its versatility and affordability, but have noted that it may take time to fully expand after unpacking due to its vacuum-sealed shipping. List number: Trifolding Mattress Queen Size. Memory Foam Trifold Handle. The Gembid Trifolding Mattress is a premium option designed for versatility and comfort. Crafted with high-density memory foam, this 6-inch mattress conforms to the body's natural shape, providing excellent support and pressure relief. Its trifold design makes it portable and easy to store, while the removable, machine-washable cover ensures hygiene and convenience. Ideal for guests, yoga, or camping, the Gembid mattress excels in providing a luxurious sleeping experience. The non-slip bottom adds stability, making it suitable for various surfaces. However, its higher price point and longer expansion time, up to 7 days, might deter some buyers. Customers have praised its comfort and portability, but recommend airing it out thoroughly before use. List 5. Trifold Mattress. The Maxyo Trifold Mattress offers a balance of affordability and comfort, featuring a 6-inch high-density foam core and a tufted corduroy cover. Its trifold design makes it easy to store and transport, and it can serve multiple purposes, from a guest bed to a yoga mat or play area for kids. This mattress is best suited for casual use, such as occasional sleeping or lounging. While its foam provides decent support, it may not match the contouring comfort of memory foam options. Users appreciate its versatility and compact design, but have noted that it requires time to expand fully after unpacking, which could be inconvenient for immediate use.